Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well tonight. I wanted to do another unboxing video since I just received a new item in the mail. And I thought, why not I do another unboxing video because it's been a while. So, I'm going to be unboxing Neca's new...
Is that a monkey?
Monkey! So, yes, I recently got the new Neca's King Kong figure, and what can I say? I've been eager to get this guy because I have seen toy reviews and toy unboxing, and I thought, well, since I am a avid Kong fan, I mean, don't get me wrong, I love King Kong, just not as much as Godzilla, but I will admit this figure is pretty freaking sweet. I mean, just look at the box right here. You can see Monkey in the front, the side, another side of Monkey with his mouth open, and of course in the back you can see Monkey roaring while beating his chest, and of course the different poses you can pose Monkey in. But enough with the monkey jokes. Open the box and you'll see Kong in all his glory. Oh, that's a nice shot of the figure right here. And here is the figure himself. So, I'm going to be releasing this guy from his cage with a pair of my handy dandy scissors. So, let's get this beast out of its cage. And here is Kong in all his glory. Let me just adjust. There we go. Now, this figure is just... damn, it's impressive. I mean, look at this. Damn, Neca, you did a fine job with this guy. I mean, just look at him. He is gorgeous, especially with his alternative head. His roaring head is just magnificent. And he comes with a two pair of open hands that he can use to grab things, so yeah. And here he is next to his other monkey friends. As you can see, I got the Mezco Playmates, 2 Playmates 6-inch Kong, and the Playmates 11-inch Kong, not the new one, the old one. And yeah, this guy is... how can I say? He's pretty damn tall. Yeah, this guy is like about 8 inches tall, but still. And here he is next to Neca's other Godzilla figures, and yeah, there is a problem because he is just so out of scale with these guys. I mean, yep. I don't think this is gonna work at all, unless, of course, with the magic of blue screen and green screen. So yeah, everyone, this has been my unboxing video. Hope you guys enjoy it, and definitely I recommend picking this guy up if you are a diehard King Kong fan or a kaiju fan in general. And yeah, stay tuned for more, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.